To heat press CAD-CUT Premium Plus heat transfer vinyl, load your garment onto your machine, ensuring that your item is completely flat so it receives proper pressure. Next, I'm going to set up the temperature and time on the machine. I'm using Premium Plus High Tack, which can apply at 280 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 seconds. Because I'm applying 100% polyester, I'm going to go ahead and use the 8 seconds to reduce the chance of scorching my garment. I'll also program a preheat of 5 seconds into my application settings. Premium Plus applies at a medium pressure. That means you want to lock your press down at a medium pressure, which would be a 4, 5, or 6 on the Hotronix Auto Open Clam in its digital pressure readout. So 4 is fine for the pressure. I'm just going to lock the press down again to conduct my 5-second preheat. Then I'll be able to take my design, position it into place. Again, I'm applying the high-tack version of Premium Plus, which has a sticky backing to hold it into place. I'll cover it with a cover sheet, and then I'll complete the 8-second dwell time. Premium Plus High-Tack is a hot peel, which means I'll be able to remove the backing as soon as the application is complete. Remove your cover sheet, grab the material at the top corner, and peel at a 45-degree angle to reveal your result.